din sa next sound.
So you can hear Beanie here at the hotel. Kwarto yun.
Tama.
Nawala. Nawala na yung Beanie. Lunch in 7-Eleven. Today is game day. So 30 minutes kami para kumain kasi alis na yung bus namin. In 30 minutes. Yeah. 25 baht.
25.
Basta parang 50 pesos. May papaya, may watermelon, naku may pinya. Singkamas, melon, mangustin, apple, guava. Parang dessert mo na to. Parang gusto ko ah. Wow, melon. Bumali ng papaya. Ano, pakwan. Pwede. Parang gusto ko ng papaya. Tara, bili tayo. Bili tayo. Si Mili, pinya. Ako, papaya. Papaya. Wow. Oh my God, this is my kryptonite. Pineapple. Oh no. Oh my God. Stick.
Thank you.
Napagrap. Kayo. Oh, yung pinya mo, Mili. Ang dami-daming o-ordering na prutas. Pinya pa.
Thank
Don't like
you.
pineapple. Oh, kunin mo na.
Really?
Kasi yung stick ko pa nakababad pa.
Ba't ayaw mo ng pineapple?
See? Sa throat. Yeah, I get this.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, gusto mo?
Balik tayo ng plastic.
Thank you. Oh.
They didn't make me. Mine did very well.
Kuha ka.
Matamis yung ano nila.
Lasang event lang.
Kasang event ng hotel.
So, yung 25 baht, nasa 46 pesos.
Not a lot for like 30 dudes.
Game day. So ito na tayo, stadium natin. Malapit lang pala. Kala ko 2 hours, hindi pala. Sa airbase kami. Royal Thai Airways.
There's 2 Royal Air Force.
Oi, Vinny. Everyone in bibs.
Sira na yung cover nito. game day, pero practice pa lang sila, warming up. Wala. Alright, 34 minutes na yung game. 22 ang Philippines, yung Laos is 0. Grabe yung strategy ng Philippines, kakamangha. Malakas. Malakas ang team natin. So we're here sa restaurant na to, sa food court in Thailand, and I ordered a rice with coffee and egg, and this is our favorite here in Thailand. Oh my god, wow. Eggs. Oh my God. Paa. Ano ba? Another one. To order. Aaron. Grabe. So yung rice with coffee, it's a hook ng pig.
Let's go.
Let's go, and here we go again. Sa Lotus Mall.
This one does? Yes.
Spice na to? Oh my gosh.
I'll have an egg today. Why? Because we won.
We won! Ako nga, iced tea.
Got the W today.
May Yayoi, Japanese restaurant yan. Chester, what is Chester's? Parang siyang ano, no?
Parang Jollibee.
Parang Jollibee, no?
Pero mas mahal daw.
Oh. Ayun nga, 135 baht. Ito, masarap to. Ito yung mga pants. Elephant pants. Oh, yan.
Guys, I bet you those are so comfortable.
It's 100 baht only. Oh my God. It's 100 baht. Let's buy. Ano, wala ka ng damit? Oh, meron. Sige. Kuha ka. Ikaw, gusto mo rin? Babawas ko sa pagkain mo. 5 days in Thailand without a bath.
Sa last day, pag may, kinompute mo.
Pag may matira pa, doon tayo magwawaldas. Si Ma'am Millie. Mami Millie. Maganda yung warm brown. It look like a Thai tea. Oh, it look like a Thai tea.
That does not look bad. That looks kind of nice.
I think it's an entire set eh. It's an entire set.
Watch guys, it's an outfit, no?
Yeah. It's an outfit. Terno na. Ganda eh. Oh.
Oh,
Sa polo. Top.
maybe it feels.
And there's a reddish color. Ay, kaganda ng mga polo dito. 180 baht.
It's for the beach,
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah.
a linen outfit.
Yeah. Dance contest dito. Day 5 in Thailand. Back in 7-Eleven. Yeah, it's a seaweed.
Oh, I've tasted that.
I tried it. We tried it last night. Sarap.
It's not bad.
It's good. It's good.
I'm looking for something to do.
Shopping for breakfast and snacks, midnight snacks in 7-Eleven. Ayan. Go lang. Hindi ka na kumuha ng basket. Wow! Cake. Ah, kasi nanalo na yung volcanoes eh. Nice.